Hello, this is a short video to introduce you to Kitchen Hats from sideordercatering.co.uk. It's going to be a series of short videos. We're going to go through just some simple techniques and tricks that we use in the kitchens every day that you might find useful for using at home. You'll have to excuse the lockdown haircut, but I hope you're all staying safe, and I'm sure you've got some more time to be cooking, spending in the kitchen with the kids, with the family. So this series should help you. We're going to release a video or two a week, see how it goes. Get in touch if you want anything in particular, if you're struggling with something or you're going to find something useful. If you watch the videos, give us a shout, let us know how we're doing. It's all new to us, so it will be good to get your feedback. So I'm going to record a couple today. We're going to launch with a few later on. So yeah, let's get on. Hi, this last little bit just for YouTube. This channel was previously Mog Food, but I've just decided to add the videos onto this feed. I haven't used Mog Food feed for a while, but it still gets views, still has a fair few subscribers. So I'm just going to continue with these hacks because I think it'll be useful for the people that already subscribe, and obviously it just gives me a bit of a platform to start from. So again, let me know anything that you want to see, that you want to see more of. I'm going to do short videos on Instagram at Side Order Catering, and I'm going to do maybe a few sort of longer, more tutorial type videos for YouTube. So if there's anything that you want to know or you're interested in, then let me know. Thank you very much.